Alright, so here's number 1, and what we're having to do is we're having to see which variable we can eliminate by trying to make some opposites here if we were going to combine our equations. And I can see that these right here are very close to being eliminated. 2x and a positive 2x. If one of them were negative, well then I'd be able to eliminate them. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this second equation and I'm going to multiply it times a negative 1, because that's going to switch the signs of everything in that equation, and then they'll all have opposite variables. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to use distribution property. So I've got negative 1 times a negative 2y is a positive 2y, and then a negative 1 times a 2x is going to be a negative 2x, and then a negative 1 times a negative 2 is going to be a positive 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this first equation back down here and line them up, and you'll see what's going to happen. We have y equals 2x minus 2. Alright, so now you can see that I have opposite variables here, and so whenever I combine these two equations, they're actually going to cancel each other out. So let me combine the 2y and the positive 1y, and that's going to give me 3y's. And then of course this negative 2x and positive 2x, they cancel each other out. And then when I combine a positive 2 and a negative 2, that's going to equal 0. Alright? And so I'm going to get the y by itself, so I'm going to divide the left side by 3 and the right side by 3, and I find out that y equals 0. Alright, so now that I know y equals 0, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any of my original equations, so I'll just take the first one, which is y equals 2x. Let me write this down. Let's see. Y equals 2x minus 2, and I know that I know that y is 0, so I'm going to plug that in for y, and my equation is going to look like this. 0 equals 2x minus 2, and I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to add 2 on this right side, I'm going to add 2 on the left side. 0 plus 2 is 2, so I've got 2 equals 2x. I'm going to divide the right side by 2, divide the left side by 2, and I've got that 1 equals x. Alright, so now let me write my answer in coordinate pair format. So I've got my x value is 1 and my y value is 0. So here's my solution.